Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create sketch art from an existing image on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can transform any photo into a sketch style artwork using AI Select's image editing suggestions. So it's great for social media posts, avatars, or creative projects. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Google Chrome, and here I'm just searching for models. So as you can see, let's go ahead and create a sketch art of this model here. So we can go ahead and open up our Edge panel, tap on AI Select. We'll go ahead and select this model. Next, we'll go ahead and tap on Generative Edit. Now from here, we can go ahead and tap on Sketch to Image or Portrait Studio. And now here, we can go ahead and choose all these different styles. So we can choose comic, 3D cartoon, watercolor, or we can go ahead and sketch it. So since this video is about sketching, we'll go ahead and select Sketch, and then we'll tap on Generate. This will now take that image and will sketch an image for us. So just give it a few minutes. And there you go. It has applied the effect on it. If you want to create more, you can go ahead and swipe left and generate one more. So with this, you can basically turn your ordinary pics into stylish artwork in seconds. So no third-party apps is required here. Once you're happy with this, you can go ahead and tap on download, and you can download that to your gallery. So there you go, guys. That is how to create a sketch art from an existing image using AI Select on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.